Hi guys, so today I'm going to do my April favorites. There aren't many, but I don't film these all the time because I only do them when I really love something. So this month you're going to get a favorites video, and I am filming on a different camera. I hope it's in focus. The last video I filmed, it was slightly out of focus and it bugged the crap out of me. So this looks pretty good. Let's hope it is. Let's get right into it. I have the Laura Mercier foundation primer and tinted moisturizer. I filmed a get ready with me video, everyday makeup, which will be up probably after this, so I will link that somewhere when it's up. I've had these for a while, but I kind of rediscovered them because I'm still very light. Obviously there's no sun, it's not summer just yet, but I really love BB cream, but the BB cream I have is too dark for me right now. It's better when I have more freckles on my face and more color. This is a very light shade of tinted moisturizer, and it has SPF, it's lightweight, flawless coverage. I have it on now. The color I use is Porcelain. And the primer as well, even if I'm not using these together, I try to always use the primer even if I have another foundation. So I do really like it. What I use to apply this is this Sephora brush. It is the Sephora Pro Airbrush 55. It's so soft, and I mentioned in my everyday foundation routine that when I apply that Laura Mercier with my fingers, it doesn't give an even application. So I wanted to get this, and I use this with other foundations as well, but it really is a airbrush perfect finish. I love it. The last thing of makeup really is Bare Minerals Nude Beach. This used to be like all the rage on YouTube, I remember, and I have it on in the inner corner today. I just have mascara on, but this is a gorgeous color. It's great for the inner corner, it's great on the whole lid, just a highlight. It's so perfect, and this little thing will last you forever, and it's pretty inexpensive if I do recall. Then for my hair, I've been using this Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's a primer. I think this was in the checkout at Sephora, the little samples. And I've been using it every day. You can spray it on damp or dry hair. I wouldn't suggest that because it is oil-based, and I feel like today I use a little too much, but I use about 5 pumps of this in my hand and then just put it all through my hair when it's wet. Then I comb it through and then I dry it or style it. So I do really love that. The last thing is a book, 2 books. I mean, listen, okay. Here's a little story. So obviously this movie was coming out and everybody was talking about it. They all read the books, or they didn't, but they were excited about the movie. I kind of wanted to see the movie, but I wasn't all that interested. Then I decided I would get the book. So I bought the first one, 50 Shades of Grey. That's not the first one. So I ordered the first one, 50 Shades of Grey, and I read it so quickly, quicker than any book I've ever read. Now people are like, oh, it's an easy read, it's a page turner. Whatever it is, it's a pretty large book for me, and I read it and I did love it. And then at the end, it kind of leaves you hanging, so I went ahead and purchased the next 2. I finished both of these in April, and the second one doesn't really leave me hanging as much. I mean, it is kind of a big thing. If you've read it, you know, but I kind of want to read something else, and I have started a book, but it just doesn't grab my attention like these do. So I do really like these. I'm sure I'm probably one of the last people to read it, and I am excited to see the movie finally. It comes out in May. I do really like those. But those are my April favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave me some comments, like the video if you liked it, and give me suggestions as well. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.